This is Ahimsiwe Julius. I'm called Ahimsiwe Julius, reg number 2018 BIT 009, presenting object-oriented programming 2 with Java. I'm going to talk on the events. Then I talk on event, types of events, event handling. An event is a signal received by a program from the operating system as a result of some action taken by the user. This is because something else has happened. Also, or else an event is the change in the object or a source. So events can be user actions such as clicking a mouse. When you click a mouse or you press any button, that is an event. And events are generated as a result of user interaction with something. So if a user interacts with a computer and presses any button or clicking any button, or when he moves the mouse or enters the characters through the keyboard, that is an event. That is a user action of an event. So we have examples of events where we have a web browser, we have a file being created, we have a hardware sensor such as a webcam, we have the arrival of incoming network traffic, we have the occurrence of an error at the program of the system levels. So events on the web, that is another example of an event. User clicking, I have talked of. We have the code reacts to a click event on the button, saying the error message to the viewer after you have interacted with the machine you are working with. So we have types of events. We have foreground events, those events which require the direct interaction of the user, the way you are pressing or clicking with the mouse or you are moving the mouse, that is the foreground event. We have background events, those require the interaction of the user, known as background events. We have action event, represents a graphical element. We have container event, we have key event, we have window event, we have mouse events, and so on. Due to shortage of the time, event handling, this is a mechanism that controls the event and decides what should happen if an event occurs. For example, if I say click here, any button clicked, then it will be an event. Examples, we have action listener used to handle events caused by sources like buttons, menu items. We have event and listener changing the state of an object is known as an event. For example, click a button or dragging the mouse. So I continue with another slide 6. Event delegation model defines standard and consistent mechanism to generate and process events. This concept is quite simple. A source generates an event and sends it to the one or more listeners. In this scheme, the listener simply waits until it is received. So we have event listener. By definition, an event listener is a procedure or a function in a computer program that waits for an event to occur. The event listener represents the interface responsible to handle events. Every method of an event listener method has a single argument as an object which is subclass of event object class. For example, mouse event listener methods will accept instance of mouse event where mouse event derives from the object. That's my presentation on the PowerPoint. Then I focus to the system that I have designed. So I have students reg. So here it is, Bugonj SS students registration. Then I run the system. The system has come. Then I put my username as Ahimsiwe Julius. Ahimsiwe Julius. Then I enter the password. It is 2018 stroke BIT stroke 009 stroke W. Then I say login. It is saying enter correct details because I have entered the wrong password. Then I correct the password here. have hyphen, there is a hyphen, then I say login. It has logged successfully. Then I say okay. It's loading, it has come. So here I enter the student's name, which is 009. Name, I have Julius. Here I have another name as Bosco. Then gender, which is male. Class, I say senior 5. Home district, I say Shema. Telephone number, I say 0780. Then I put the number. Then I say insert. It has inserted successfully. Then I click OK. And I say update. It has failed to update because I don't have what to update. Search, I will say I search for, let's say 7. I say search 7. No, say 5. Search. Update. This one 5, senior 6. I say no, it is senior 4. Then I say update. It is updated successfully. Then when I say delete, I will select. I select like 2. Then I say delete. Number 3. Then I say delete. It is deleted successfully. And I say view. It will view. So if I say search, let me say I say search Anna. Then I say search, it will bring Anna. Then when I say view, they will come back. When I say delete, I say I have this one 5. Then I say delete. It has failed. Okay, that's how I can say because of the time, because we have 8.